AI is exploding. Everyone from Elon Musk to Donald Trump is talking about it. And here's what you're not hearing. You don't have to be a genius coder or have millions saved in the bank to build something with AI. Right now, the opportunity is massive. It's like catching crypto in 2010 or drop shipping in 2014. And if you sleep on this, in a couple years, you'll be watching from the sidelines as teenagers make millions. So if you're new here, my name is Atanassov. I'm an athlete, entrepreneur, and content creator. For a couple months, I ran an email marketing and web design agency. I was grinding, learning what made businesses tick, helping them grow, but deep down I wanted more. I wanted real independence, not just juggling free client work. The truth is there's thousands out there just like me who want a real shot at financial freedom, who want to build something big, but maybe don't have the connections, massive startup cash, or the tech wizard skills. And that's exactly why I'm shifting my channel. I want to show teenagers and young adults that it's actually possible to make money with this new opportunity. I want to help you find the vehicle that gets you out of your 9-to-5 or crappy school and into the life you actually dream of. And that AI stuff happening right now is your vehicle. If you're hungry and willing to learn, you can build your dream life just like I'm trying to do. I'm documenting what I learned and how you can implement it into your own business as I go. So if you're ready for zero fluff and no gatekeeping guides, you're in the right place. So what even is AAA, or an AI automation agency? It's basically the 2025 version of old social media agencies. Instead of posting for clients or building them basic websites, you actually sell helpful solutions that save business owners money and time using the latest AI tools. You're building, or as I like to call it, connecting automations together. Think of agents that act as sales reps, tools that handle lead generation and bookings, and smart follow-up systems that don't drop the ball. And no, you don't need to know how to code. And that's the great thing about this. There's so many no-code and low-code tools that you could use by just watching a couple YouTube tutorials. So why is this such a big opportunity right now? Well, in the AI space, this year has been nuts. OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT 5 Turbo, and seriously, it's wild. You can run full business operations with an AI that runs 24/7. Also, the Trump campaign has brought AI into politics. There's official AI advisors answering voter questions blowing up in the news. And if you don't know, every business is moving AI into the center of their operation. But what no one's telling you is that this isn't just for Wall Street or billion-dollar owners. The real money is in the trenches, helping regular businesses modernize before their competitors do. Goldman Sachs says that the industry is set to hit 15 trillion by 2035. That's just 10 years. So we're early to the game. It's barely just begun. And you're probably wondering, well, what services can I offer as a beginner? Well, don't worry, I'm gonna make a whole video around this topic, but right now I'll just break down 5. Number 1, AI chatbots. AI-powered chatbots handle customer questions instantly, reduce support costs, and improve response times 24/7. Number 2, AI phone agents. These AI agents answer business calls, qualify leads, take orders, or schedule appointments, ensuring no missed opportunities and cutting labor costs. 3, AI calendar booking systems. Automated booking systems let customers schedule calls or appointments without back and forth, increasing conversion rates and saving them time for the business owner. And I'm sure you've heard this one before, but lead generation systems. AI tools scrape, qualify, and nurture leads automatically, giving businesses a steady pipeline of prospects without needing cold outreach. And lastly, AI content scripting and postings. These tools generate media posts, captions, and blog scripts, then auto-post them on schedule, keeping the brand active online and attracting new customers consistently. My point here is that you can basically automate any service under the sun. But remember, you're not just selling another agency service. You're solving expensive daily headaches for business owners who are craving solutions. So why did I transition from emails and web design to AI? I started noticing in early 2025 that everyone was talking about AI. They wanted to know ways to cut costs, to automate, and to grow without hiring more people. And like many people, instead of pretending like I was an expert, I just started learning. And for the last couple of weeks, I've been obsessed with learning everything about AI. Going through videos, reading books, playing around with tools, learning how to implement AI, and really figure out how the industry works. So as you can tell, I don't know much, but that's why I'm posting these videos. I'm gonna be documenting this journey as I go to building a $1 million empire. And everything I learn, I'm gonna be breaking it down into videos so that you can do it. So this is what AI automation agencies will dominate the next decade. The truth is, every business owner out there knows AI is the future, but most are overwhelmed and freaked out by it. They want to pay for peace of mind, for clarity, and for someone just to handle it. And well, that's us. No coding skills needed. It's easier to land new clients, and it's a fast learning curve because you're mainly just connecting and tools. And I'm gonna say it again, if you've missed dropshipping, you've missed SMMA, this is an opportunity you cannot afford to pass. So how hard is it to start this? So like most of you, a couple weeks ago, I had no idea about AI, no idea how to code, no idea how to use it. But with modern tools like N8N, Zapier, OpenAI agents, Google's Gemini portal, All drag and drop, mostly free to start and subscription if you scale. You can learn the basics in a week, figure out what prospects' problems are, and build basic automations as a solution. The startup cost myth. A big misconception is that you need to have $1 million in the bank to make money with AI. But bro, remember, you're not building the next ChatGPT. All you're doing is finding a problem a business has and building a simple automation that solves it. That's it. You can build your first AI automation completely for free, and once you actually start landing deals, you can upgrade the software. Understand this is a compounding game. Every automation you build, every process you tweak, it's an asset. You can reuse, duplicate, and scale your solutions to more and more clients, which is really great because unlike an agency work where you trade hours for dollars, here your systems make money for you literally while you sleep. So what should you do today? So on my computer, I made a step-by-step action plan that you can follow. Number 1, decide if this is for you. Ask yourself if you actually want to solve business problems with AI. If yes, commit to testing it out. Number 2, educate yourself. Use free YouTube tutorials and learn the basics of chatbots, booking tools, and automations. Focus on building simple demos, not theory. Number 3, practice with people you know. Offer to automate small, annoying tasks for friends or families. Even a rough demo gives you proof and experience. Number 4, choosing your niche and lead gen. Pick one type of business and service you can repeat. Then decide how you'll find leads, whether it's networking, content, or cold outreach. And finally, step 5, reaching out to real businesses. Now that you have some real experience, show your demos and offer a small pilot project. If it works, you'll have your first case study and testimonial. And just a little tip, there's a bunch of free content out there. You don't need to go out and pay for a course. There's a bunch of free resources and YouTube channels that you can watch. I'll link their channels in the description. And obviously mine, of course, if you want to follow, it would really help me out. Anyways, all right, and some final words. Look, I'm not any different than you. I just saw an opportunity, I took action, and now I'm on the way to building something that could change my life forever. You don't need permission, and you don't need someone else's plan. The point of this video was to show you that this is it. This is your vehicle. This is your brand new opportunity. AI automation agencies are going to be the next wave of founders and creators. And that could literally be you or me. So don't wait and wonder what if. Build, learn, share, and repeat. If you're as excited as I am to start on this new journey, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll show you exactly how I'm building my agency, what's working, what's not, and how you can do it too. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll be answering everything. I hope this video opened your eyes to the brand new revolution I like to call the AI gold rush. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.